What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be fixing my Volvo, well, trying to fix it, my Volvo V40. This is a Volvo V40 T4 2013. I bought it sometime last year and it's been giving me problems ever since, if I'm being honest with you. And the reason we're here today, we're actually trying to swap out the fuel filter and buy an injector cleaner, because every time I hit the throttle it goes on limp mode. So hopefully like the items we're going to buy will sort that out. So let's check it out. Okay, so I want to show you guys what it does when I hit the throttle hard. Check. Engine performance reduced. And if I'm being honest, for the longest time I was convinced that, hey man, my gearbox is messed up, I need a new gearbox. But I mean, I did like a bit of research and only to find that I need to replace the fuel filter and just get my petrol tank cleaned out. So what I'll do, I actually just bought like an injector cleaner and a fuel filter. Hopefully like this gets the job done. I hope so, like I really hope so, because I really adore this car. I think it performs well for a small hatch. Well, with my Volvo, they outdid themselves on this one, to be honest with you. No complaints. I mean, I've never been like on a really fast car like an M4 or a C63, but yeah, this is pretty quick with its single turbo. I don't know like when it comes to like the numbers how much it makes, but yeah, it's fast enough for me. It's fast enough for me. Okay guys, I'm not sure if it's high enough. Let me just check, because I don't need to like fully fit in there, I think. Let me just check. You know, I should bring something to lay on, but I should edit that out. Okay, so guys, if you can see here, there should be this thing. Can't even call it a bolt. I don't know what it's called. Let's just unscrew it. Unscrew this, and you should be able to have access to whatever's underneath there. Let me just unlatch it somewhere. Oh, I should also unbolt this. See this? Needs unbolting. Which one? Let me check this one. Yeah, this one. Unbolt this. Okay, it's out. The car keeps on creaking. It's making me nervous. What else do I need to unbolt? I think this is it. Let me check. I don't want to yank it out and break it. So, let me see what else is here. Is there anything else holding it back? Oh, that thing came out. With you, I don't want to remove like this tire, so because there's another bolt here that you actually remove right here. Oh yeah, so it's fine, you can get to it, get into it. It's right here. Let me just show you. Here it is, this one over here. So unbolt this as well. Oh, my fingers hurt. Oh, it's out. Yes. Did a thing. I did that thing. Okay, and then I just have to, let me just put this, I'll just leave it in there, it's fine. Ooh. Okay. Yanked it out. There is our guy. So now I need to get that guy out. So guys, I'm not sure if you can see here. I'm not sure if you can see. The next bolt that I need to remove is this one. See? This one over here. So we need to loosen that up. Look, we need to loosen this up, and then we'll be able to get our fuel filter loose. Wait, this is too big. Let me get a smaller one. Let me get a smaller one. Okay. Yeah, I think this will be fine. And this one will do. This one. Yeah. Pop it in there. Boom. Press. Boom. It's in. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone, man. So, like I said, getting that bolt out. No, it's all the way up in there, guys. So we have to be determined to get this thing done. Can't quit now. It's almost out. We're almost out, baby. It is out. Oh my goodness, this, guys, this was not easy. I won't lie. Whoever said this, like fixing your own car was easy. I mean, it's not supposed to be easy, I guess. That's why most people pay other people to do it for them. Makes sense. So this is out now. There's another, it's right in here. I can't show you. There's another bolt right in there. So I need my Allen key to get to that. So we're using this to get to that. Let me put you guys down first, then I'll be able to take it out. Okay guys, I lied. This is the Allen key like needed, slightly bigger than the previous one I showed you guys. So this, okay guys, check me. So the goal here, the reason like you need like that Allen key, you need to loosen this. You loosen this bolt right here. So in order to get this mount loosened up a bit, then I'll yank out these wires, and then I'll fit in my new fuel filter. So let me just put you guys down, and then I'll be able to do that. Then I'll show you like this is the before, I'll show you the after. So this is the new fuel filter, so I'll swap it out with that. Guys, bear in mind there's a short side, there's a long side, so make sure that you are putting the side where it's supposed to be, basically the long side where it's supposed to be, the short side where it's supposed to be. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm out here suffering, trying to get this thing sorted out while it's mounted there. Well, not even like now, it was hung on this hinge over here. So all I had to do was just remove from that hinge this hinge over here. This camera that I'm using, autofocus, bad, but you see the hinge, man. Just go underneath the collar, you'll see the hinge. Oh, but yeah, got it removed, and then now I have to get these pins out, yank this pipe out and this one, and then put the new filter. So as you can see guys, when you remove this thing, you're gonna get some spill, and this thing, oh, it's all the way in there. There'll be just a little bit of petrol spill, but it's not a big deal. You should be fine as long as you can actually get, sorry, let me just see if I can get this thing Okay, now I was able to get this thing out. You should be fine. Okay, so the small one goes here, the tiny one goes here, and the long one goes there. See? So let me just remove this. There's still a bit of fuel in here. I don't know, guys, you tell me. Seems like a bit of a waste, the fact that I poured the injector cleaner prior. I don't know. I think I should have poured it after, but like I said, we learn as we go. Next time I'll do it like in reverse, and hopefully that works better in my favor. Okay, that okay? Yeah. Alright, so guys, got this yanked out, and then I actually fitted like the new one. Let me see. Just get this in there. Just get this in there. Yeah. Now we're moving. You know what? Thinking of, let me just not loosen it up. I mean, let me not tighten it now because I still have to mount it back on there. So let me just put this in here. Oh, that was easy. And then we said the tall one goes in here, right? Right, Will? Yeah. Okay. So should be all the way in. I think we're good. Let me put this pin back in. Okay, guys. Now that is back up in there. Make sure like I screwed on just tight enough for it to stay on there. Let me just fix this. So I mean, I think for the first time I think I did okay. I think I did fine, besides smelling like petrol and skipping steps. I don't know, I think I did okay. Oh damn it, I need new tires. I need to buy like a set of tires. Look at this. What is this? Actually, I think I'll go buy tires tomorrow because this is horrible. So guys, all done. Everything is bolted up. Hopefully I did everything correctly, because all I had to do is just do everything like in reverse pretty much. If I'm being okay, I thought I had to have to remove the tire, but nah, it wasn't necessary. And I don't think it would have made much difference if I had that much of a difference, but at least I got it done. So hopefully like this fixes my problem, and then if it doesn't, I don't know, we'll have to look at something else and then try and fix that. But I'll keep you guys informed, and I hope you enjoy the video. I know this is my first video, so I mean cut me some slack, man, cut me some slack. There's still a ton of work to be done to this car, and I'll keep you guys updated as I fix every problem that's currently that I'm facing with, well, that I'm dealing with this car pretty much. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll update you in the next video on if whether this fixed the problem or not. Thank you guys.